going to play the wobbly ceiling fan home. But ceiling fan and air conditioner and more. What is that over there? Building tools. Wait. Now it's time. Let's go. We select the roof. No, first we'll turn on the fans. Oh. Ah. Whoa. Hey. Turn on, you slob. Yay! Again. Alright, not on. But we will try again. Yay! Whoa! Oh wow, it's beautiful. Beautiful. And look at the blades.
Yes.
Yes? I never listened this before. And six is incredibly. Pupil can start broking. Oh wow. Oh. Let's go. In this room not have fan. But this stuff oh, light is rotating. I see. I see. Okay. Yes. We have been sold the home. Wait guys. First again with the house to this here and select. Wait. Oh no, I stuck. I want to remove. Go, you slob. I want to get out. All right. That which is not on fan is already off. Hold it. Wow. How about the yes man? Oh, this is going to be cake. This is door open. How this door is going to be off? Oh, guys, how we where? Really? Are you mean it? If something could take, I really want to get in. Let's find something. Here are some building tools here. How? I find to climb. I never thought it again. There's so many building tools that fall. I think from this man room. This. Oh, have 2 blades? It didn't go away. Knock it off. That was on. Oh. Let's go here. Hey, okay, not that one. Guys, wow, I can go there. This one is gaffed. I have to fly for that. Wait. Fly me. Nothing happens. Let's think for HD. There's some walls here. I think guess not. Yay! Fans are building. That one building. But I don't know why this one not building. Where is the door? Guys? Fan is there in the roof. We can move the parts of it. Hey. We can move the parts of the house. I can miss the house or these. Cat 20. Oh, he can kill me. I have to ready the building tools. That was amazing. The hill. He trying to kill me. I guess bye.